Hello everybody, now the bow challenge is finished. This leather drawing shows the final shape of the bow. It's meant to be 14 lamination with each 9.5mm thick, but we got some springback problem. The Chechen wood wouldn't bend. Every time we released the clamps, it sprang back, almost as nothing had cold bent. We tried everything, and everything failed.
The specifications call for 9 millimeters thick, and we believe what we have found, and I'll show you why. If I release this clamp, or let me do this first, and then we do this, okay, the wood goes back, tries to go back to a straight piece of wood.
Then they found a method. First, glue a rigid core with small, short pieces of 9.5mm thick strips where the curvature is the strongest.
The keys to this was where the first one was cutting very small pieces here so that we don't get the spring back of a large piece of wood, and we have done that with thick about 0.9 centimeters or 9 millimeters thick wood.
Thereafter cut into thin strips 5mm each and soak them in ammonia solution. Layer by layer, soak them in the ammonia solution, clamp them into the jig, dry, glue, wait and repeat.
And then we followed with a little bit larger pieces but thinner, and that's the result. So we've got a pretty stiff bow here. It's not springing back, so we have it partially solved. We still have to go through a lot of work. One of the worst right now is getting source wood.
When we had a 60mm stiff core bow, we just continued with pure cold molding without soaking in the ammonia solution. 72mm, 80mm, 90mm without springback, 102mm bow and no springback, 114mm, 127 now. The bow is glued, finished. We have now 133mm that it should be. Now I will have to cut the start and the end. Yeah, now I have sanded with electric sander and a normal sander. Now I will make a bevel at the front. I will do less bevel than it will be because it's difficult to know exactly where the stringers end with the bevel, how much bevel it should be. Where the stringers end inside the planking. And I have done one side with epoxy, but I forgot a thing. I had to sand away here, because here will be a plan with the keel come to. So now I put epoxy. Now the bow is ready. We did this in the middle here with ammonia solution, and then after only cold molding. And I've always forgot to do this, with this thinner here and here, because the keel is coming here. But now it's ready.